Hebei Ruiye Fasteners Manufacturing Company Limited, established in 2017, is a research and development, production, sales as one of the integrated enterprise. It is located in Yongnan, Handan, Hebei Province near Qingdao and Tianjin Port, which has an advantage of convenient transportation. It covers an area of 10,000 square meters, 100 sets of production equipment, including products machine, and inspection and testing equipment, 5 main production workshops, 200 employees, including 50 sales personnel, 50 technicists, 100 packing workers, and other transportation staff. We mainly produced different kinds of fasteners, like wedge anchor, drop-in anchor, 3/4 pieces shield anchor, metal frame anchor, ceiling anchor, threaded rod, bolt and nut, washers, screws, custom products, etc. Also accept ODM and OEM order. The main products are in great demand in India, Pakistan, UAE countries, Southeast Asia countries, and South Korea, Middle East, Africa, Russia, European, and American countries. Besides, attending domestic and international exhibition helps us get superior clients and sells goods to the whole world. Abide by the principle quality first and customer first, organize production in strict accordance with standards and user needs. With perfect equipment and excellent product quality, our products are sold around the world and won the trust and praise of users. Choosing our products is equivalent to choosing a reliable guarantee for construction projects. Choosing us, you will get sincere service throughout the whole process. Once cooperating, our friendship will last forever. Looking forward to your visiting.